How you doing, folks? James right here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this lovely 2016 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. So she comes in this carbon black metallic finish with the BMW angel eyes up front, the BMW kidney grille, front parking sensors, BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, rear tinted windows with the silver trim and shark fin aerial. We come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts and more rear parking sensors. This car is also fitted with an automatic boot. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. Let's take a quick look at the interior. And then we're inside. You notice the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, a comfort mode and an eco pro mode. The interior is an oyster white Dakota leather with a fine wood trim finish. Fully electric windows and seats with automatic headlights, automatic wipers, heated seats, 360-degree parking sensors, automatic transmission, and the BMW iDrive system. This is also a keyless push button start. It also has automatic mirrors, ambient lighting, and many more extras included. And that's just a quick look around this 2016 BMW 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions or if you want to take this stunning car for a test drive, please feel free to call in to us or visit us online at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video.